is a nice chassis. I gotta take a picture of this one. This one is badass. That orange tint. And look at these headers. That's ridiculous. Man. Jeez. And this one too. This is just, and it's for sale. Check it out here. Hot flash. 34K. We're talking here. 425-445-3193. Name is Steve. Check out the interior. Man, that's awesome. Got a beautiful 36 Ford pickup here. Nice color green. Got a flathead with aluminum heads. It's gorgeous. 34 grand. 907-841-1312. Here we got a one here for 9K. 47 Ford, 9K. Beautiful 41 Chevy. Nice two-tone paint. Jeez. 951-377-9410. Nice. Tastefully done inside here. Look at this one. 37 Ford Coupe. $35K. There's a 56 Chevy here for you. 35K. 626-643-7887. Gorgeous wagon here. It's a gorgeous 54 Chevy here for you. 35K. 909-202-1179. Pretty cool, man. Here you go. This one's not for sale, but Lincoln Zephyr Coupe, you don't see these very often. These are just superior. Look at the way it slopes out in the back there. Here you got a nice 56 Chevy. 61.5K. 626-260-38. 51 it looks like. I can't tell if that's a 1, 4, or a 9 at the end. Here's another 56 Chevy for sale. Nice orange. Man. 39 grand. Beautiful paint. The hood is black on this one. The rest of the car is orange. Here we go here. 29 Chevy. $12 grand. 775-720-1306. Leave a message. It's nice. Look at that steel. Great. Looks like you got a 42 Chevy here. It's for sale. 1942. 35K. 204, 1878. Here's a 50 Chevy here, 562 373 1778. There's the number right there. Looks like it's got airbags lowered all the way down to the ground there. 57 Chevy. 305 small blocks. It's good for gas. 25 grand. 840-999-2845. Here's a 58 Impala here. 95,000. 66,391. 3790. If you got the bucks, you know. Fantastic. Here's a good old 55 Ford here. 55 Ford. Let's check out this GMC right here, 1959. $714-501-6118, $8,000. 52, 4,500 bucks. Look at this orange. Superior shade of orange. Look at that. 72.5. We got a 72 El Camino, 7,500 bucks. Pretty cool 57 GMC truck here. 6,900 bucks though. It's not as bad as I've seen with the prices. There's an Impala here, 4-door, chain steering wheel. We got a Challenger, 28, 1970. Needs a lot of work, but these things worth some big bucks if you finish them. This one is for sale too here. 2,500 bucks. Lemon squeeze. Here's a 65 Valiant here. 1,500 bucks. That's the best price that I've seen today. 6-cylinder, good old slant 6. Can't go wrong with the gas mileage and all. It's a 4-door, but 1,500 bucks. Quick pictures.
Get out of your way.
47 Studebaker Champion, 2,500 bucks. Runs good?
Huh?
It runs pretty good?
It runs, but it needs brakes.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. How bad are the brakes? Do they work?
No, it doesn't have brakes.
No brakes at all?
No. They took the pads out of the back of it, so.
Oh, yeah.
That and push your pedal on the floor.
Yeah. Here's a Ford versus Ferrari style race car for you. Mega number 3. 12 grand. 760-668-0939.
Sometimes,
619-551-9519.
Got air conditioning. Got air conditioning unit. That works.
What about the carburetor filter? You got that?
Yeah, it's in the car.
Oh,
It's in there.
how come you have it off? It doesn't fit or something?
No,
or?
I just took it off to start it up. I don't, there's no reason.
Yeah.
Because it kind of blocks the motor.
66 Rambler. Here's a 6.3 right here, 16K, 16.5, 714-395-7044. It's a dehydrated passenger. Comes with the car. Plenty of room in the trunk if you prefer to throw them in the trunk. 51 Chevy. 909-821-0262. 12.5.
Got air conditioning unit. It works.
Yeah, I think you got new paint. Missing the signal part, so.
390.
They're hard to work on.
626.
Because it's a shoehorn fit.
2909132.
Yeah. An engine bay on a 68 California Petrol.
Yeah. 626-890-9132.
From the bumper.
909-635-8303. 21K. Look at that. Dodge Charger 70 Magnum 383.